Checking your MacBook specs is actually very easy, and in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing I'd like you to do is go onto the desktop of your MacBook, and now we're going to go to the far left of the screen where we see the Apple logo. We're going to click on that and we're going to go to About This Mac. Now right here you already have an overview of what the specs are, but what we are looking for are detailed specs, so we're going to click on More Info. Now in the More Info we're going to scroll down and we're going to click on System Report. On the System Report here we can find detailed information about our MacBook device. Now alternatively we can also spin up a terminal, and once the terminal is up we can input this command, system_profiler, and we input hardware data type, and once we click on enter it's going to give us a full overview of what our device specs are. Now that's how you find your MacBook specs. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, see ya.